How to fix the error performing query on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Facebook application, tap on three lines, click on logout. Now relog into your account. If your issue is still not fixed, go back to home screen, open up Play Store, search Facebook, and make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen, open up settings, tap on apps, go to app management, and search Facebook. Now click on Force Stop, go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Data. Now click on Delete and restart the application. If your issue still persists, open up Facebook, tap on the three lines. Now shake your phone and take a screenshot of your error. Now go to Help and Support, tap on Report a problem. Now click on OK. Now go to the error page, shake your phone. Now tap on Report problem. Now click on Don't Include. Now describe the issue. Now click on Send. Now wait for some time until Facebook fixes your issue. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.